Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. First off, I would like to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love y'all and I truly appreciate every one of y'all that takes the time to watch my videos. Leave your thoughts, comments, everything is so much appreciated. Alright, we are going to get into this right here. We are going to call this my mac and cheese waffle burger. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. And we have our bacon right here getting nice and ready for us. And it is going to be amazing. But just a thought to my head. If you may be going through something right now that makes you feel like you can't make it, keep pushing, keep grinding, never give up, because at the end, your results are going to be endless. So never give up, keep pushing. I was asked the other day about the whole creation of these waffle burgers, and I told the person, you know what, I just want to make you think different about waffles. I want to open your minds to the greatest possibility of how you can enjoy a waffle. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is the finished product. And let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing. As you can see, I had to double this baby up. I couldn't help it. It was calling me, so I did it. And yes, it's gonna be amazing. The taste is gonna be amazing. So please do like this video, subscribe to the Kool Zone.
High school, not a fool, books up, looks up, chicks starting to jack the kids, so me and hip hop slipped, made a couple tracks, told the game I'll be back, but me and her